the formula m equals to half into bracket a plus b gives the mean m of two numbers a and b. Express a in terms of m and b. B, hence find a when m equals to 19 and b equals to 20. Solution. The first part of the problem. The first thing to do is to write out the formula. M equals to half into bracket a plus b. Now, what we have here, this is like m over 1. It's just like finding the value for a in this expression. It's the same thing as making a the subject. Let's assume this is a simple equation. I want to find a. How do we do that? The first thing for us to do is to cross multiply. It's still the same process. So we cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 2 times m equals to 1 times 1 into a plus b. So from here we have 2m equals to what? 1 times 1 is 1. So this 1 times 1, that is 1, times a, we have a. 1 times 1, 1 times b. Then we have plus b. Now we want to make a the subject of the formula. It means that we need to remove plus b at the right hand side and take it to the left hand side so that a will be the only letter that will remain at the right hand side. So in that case, we have 2m minus b. By the time plus b is coming to the left, it becomes minus b equals to a. Then a equals to 2m minus 2b. Now we have expressed a in terms of m and b. We have solved the first problem. Now the second problem, which is b. Hence, find a where m equals to 19 and b equals to 20. We are still going to use the result here. A equals to 2m minus b. A equals to what? Now from this question, m is given as what? M equals to 19. It means that anywhere we see m here, we substitute m as 19. Then minus, what is b? B equals to 20. Then we put 20 here. A will be equals to what? What is 2 times 19? That is what? 38. Then minus 20. A equals to what? What is 38 minus 20? That is 18. The value of A equals to 18 when M equals to 19 and B equals to 20. Thank you.